In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft Planner plan to your Outlook calendar. By the end, you'll be able to see your plan's tasks right alongside meetings and reminders in Outlook, which makes it much easier to stay on top of deadlines without jumping between apps. We'll start inside Microsoft Planner. You can get there from your web browser by signing in to your Microsoft 365 account and opening Planner from the app launcher. If your organization uses a different entry point or the planner icon is grouped under tasks by planner and to-do, that's okay. The experience is the same. Just make sure you're signed into the correct work or school account that has access to the plan you want to use. Once Planner is open, choose the plan you want to connect. You'll usually find it in your recent or favorites, or you can search for it if you're part of several plans. Selecting the plan loads its board, charts, and other views. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace, because the connection you set up will be specific to this plan. Now, look to the very top left of the plan. You'll see the plan's title displayed near the navigation bar. Select that title. This opens the plan's details and settings area for the plan you're currently viewing. If you don't see it immediately, expand your window or reduce your zoom so the title is visible. The option we need lies in this menu. In the menu that appears, select Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. This is the built-in way to expose your plan's schedule to Outlook. Depending on your organization's settings, you may see options that let you control how tasks appear, or whether to publish the plan's schedule for viewing in Outlook. Follow the on-screen guidance as it appears. If your admin has restricted this feature, you may see a message indicating that it's not available. In that case, reach out to your IT team for access. A few tips as you finish up. The connection reflects task start and due dates, so it's a good idea to keep those fields accurate in Planner for the best calendar view. If you manage multiple plans, repeat this process for each plan you want to see in Outlook. And if you ever need to stop showing a plan on your calendar, you can return to the same plan title area to review the available options. That's it. You've opened Microsoft Planner, selected your plan, clicked the title at the top left, and chosen Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more unified schedule.